next function we'll be looking at is the average function. The average function calculates the average, which is also known as arithmetic mean. It is written as equal to average. It adds the range and divides it by number of observations. You might be familiar with average. However, if you are not, we're going to look deeply into average. Take a look at this theoretical example. The average of 5, 6, 7 is 6. How did we get this 6? The observations are 5, 6, and 7. The sum of the observations is 18. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 is 18. Now, how is the average of these three numbers 6? 18 divided by 3, which is the number of the observation, is equal to 6. So you count 1, 2, 3. This is the numbers of observation. So the sum of the numbers divided by the sum of the observation gives us the average. That is how we get the answer 6. Take note of something. The average function ignores cells with text. We're going to look at this practically with examples. Let's use this data to understand the average. Just as explained, the average function calculates the average. For example, if we want to get the average salary in this data, you simply type your equal sign and average, or you select the range, close the brackets and enter. So the average salary for this employee data is 48,555. We can also apply the average for age. So we want to get the average age of these employees. Select the cell, close the brackets. So the average age is 32. You can also manually input figures to get the average. For example, if you want to get the average of, let's say, 4 numbers, you can type in the numbers, separate them with comma. And you close the bracket and you type enter. So the average of that number is 4.5.